Good evening, friends and family. See all the barn swallows? It's 7:44 p.m. April 29th, 2019. I just got home from work. Just show you. I've got a yard update from yesterday. I'm gonna upload tonight, hopefully. The clouds are crazy. We got rain coming off and on all week. Hope everybody's doing well. It's been a really strenuous weekend. You see the clouds moving? There's all the swallows. Let's try to zoom in on them. They just keep moving. There's a whole bunch of them. You're gonna hear that woodpecker to the west of me. I get time I'm gonna use that concrete stuff and try to fix this limestone wall. But last of my tulips blooming. Almost all of them are bloom. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all. And, there it goes. You hear them? That weed eater ain't helping any. Alright, take care, people. Love you guys.